Hi, this October I will be teaching about organic speech sound disorders. In the first part of my webinar series, we'll be looking at orofacial myofunctional disorders, both childhood and acquired apraxia of speech, and different types of dysarthrias and how we can differentiate them from developmental or even degenerative speech sound disorders. And then in part 2, we're going to move beyond that traditional approach that's often suggested, despite the fact that the speech sound disorder is in fact organic in nature. So we'll take a look at the evidence and we'll take a look at what clinicians are using in practice and put together that internal piece and that external piece to make the best decisions for our patients, students, and clients. So I hope you join me to task analyze speech and get to the bottom and the root cause of these disorders so that we can pick the right therapy. See you then.